Paulo Cruzada, I just want to say something. I don't want to say bad words in social media. I don't want to say bad words in YouTube. You have to stop harassing Teacher May. It's not really nice to bully the former teacher in CDIFI. Just to know, I just want to get a favor for Paulo Cruzada. If your parents died, who will taking care of you? Oh, Joannes Impact told me when we talked each other last Wednesday after we came back from condo in Stellar Place. Oh, you know, this is hard to say, Mr. Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass Teacher May. She is always kind to us. She always caring at us. She was caring to all of us. Oh, have you seen in her YouTube video of Teacher May that you were there in the YouTube video about Teacher Evelyn? You don't even know that we have a video from Eris Clemente in closing program. Oh, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass the individual. You know, me and JD Vinegas, we do not want cyberbullying. I always to advocate you, Paulo Cruzada. I always to say, there is a preparedness of your parents, Mr. Marion Cruzada. Mrs. Marion Cruzada says, Mrs. Marion, even Mr. Kulas Cruzada. If your parents died, Paulo Cruzada, who will taking care of you? Oh, just like I said, paano ka mabubuhay, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, just like want to say to you, who will raise you up? Oh, like you, do not bully Teacher May. At least, you know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, with all due respect, you need to lecture your son. I know your son is a special child. You should not harass Teacher May. Just to know, if you harass Teacher May, what will be happen next? Oh, he will get sued. Oh, you know, it's not right thing to do a hostaging. You know, I'm saying to Paulo Cruzada, stop threatening to hostage Teacher May. Oh, if I want to give you evidence of Alexis Porcala, how did she was invited by the birthday of Alexis Porcala last year? She was not threatened by hostage by Paulo Cruzada. Oh, he doesn't know the address is. Oh, you know, for me, it's not really nice to harass the CDIFI teachers, Paulo Cruzada. You know, as a God, what is a word of Allah in Arabic? We call it God. God is caring to us. Oh, if you harass Teacher May, what will be happen to you?